Right now, a Valley man is behind bars accused of targeting this North Phoenix mosque with paintball guns during Ramadan prayers while families and children were gathered nearby. 30-year-old Abel Dominguez was arrested 2 days after that weekend incident, and what he allegedly told detectives is really raising some serious questions. Now, court documents show that Dominguez claimed the entire weekend was, quote, a blur. He admitted to using meth and fentanyl, and when asked if he fired at the Islamic Center, he said, "I don't know if I shot or not. I could have." The case is now being investigated as a hate crime. The attorney for Arizona's Council on American Islamic Relations says fear is running high in the Muslim community, with mosques across the valley now stepping up security. Police haven't confirmed a motive as of last check. For the latest on the case and the investigation, head to 12news.com.